exciting Savannah Festival of Speed here at the Grand Prize of America track on Hutchinson Island. Let's take a lap in one of our 800 plus horsepower vintage stock cars. As we enter onto the front straightaway here, we are traveling at about 156 miles an hour as we cross the start-finish line into turn 1. We'll go tight to the apex on the inside here as we track to the middle of the pavement and then back to another apex on turn 2. Begin braking from a very high speed down to second gear for turn 3 as we move through this corner and give it up a bit to get a perfect drive onto the short chute that leads to turn 5. Once again, we'll downshift to second gear and give up this corner to make a much better drive to the outside of the track here, coming to turn 7. As we accelerate down the back straightaway, we would like to be on the right side, but the course was there. We are now moving to the brake zone. It's very bumpy here. Try to brake in a straight line, avoid wheel hop. Downshifting to second gear through turn 8 and through this 100-mile-an-hour chute down to the slowest corner on the track, which is first gear in turn 9. And then we're going to short shift to second gear here, go to the wall to enter the front straightaway, where we will now begin our first flying lap. Once again, turn 1 and try to turn in from the wall to the apex through this very high speed sweeper. 2 apexes. This is the one we call turn 2. Braking down into turn 3. It's bumpy and second gear corner basically. Try to make a good drive through turn 4 to get a strong run on this 100-mile-an-hour chute that leads to turn 5, another second gear corner, and a nicely banked turn 6 that we'll try to use the whole track to get a great drive onto the back straightaway here. Bumpy as heck, second gear up to third, and fourth gear we're running about 130 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour. And then down to second gear, using all the track through turn 8. Once again, down to the slowest corner on the track, turn 9. And that is pretty much going to conclude a couple of flying laps here at Savannah. I hope you all enjoyed it. And did you remember to use your left foot for braking?